The PB-760LN, rated at only 65 decibels, is the most powerful low-noise blower available. The PB-760LN comes with a 63.3 cc professional-grade two-stroke engine that delivers incredible power and reduced fuel consumption. The ultra-powerful PB-760LN boasts blowing performance of up to 535 cubic feet per minute and speeds up to 214 miles per hour. With features including a sound-deadening baffle, the PB-760LN features a low noise output of only 65 decibels, so it's perfect for use in environments where noise levels may be a concern. The PB-760LN is available with either a hip-mounted or tube-mounted throttle. Both are easy to reach and include cruise control. The PB-760LN offers a padded backrest with a built-in operator cooling system for comfortable operation even in the hottest weather. The shoulder straps on the PB-760LN are padded and fully adjustable for maximum operator comfort. The side-mounted two-stage air filtration system includes a large pleated paper air filter with a foam pre-filter for reduced maintenance and longer engine life. The extra flexible tube offers a full range of motion for improved mobility and more convenient storage.
ECHO is the choice of professionals, and the PB-760LN is the top-of-the-line low-noise blower.